So guys, we're just having a wander through the old square. I've never seen it this quiet before. So yeah, join me for a look around the market square here in Costa Teguise. Got the pirate theme bar there on that side. The Irish pub and the Rangers, the Bluebell. Now this is the El Patio Steakhouse. Had a few steaks there in the past and they've been really good. The Kelp, that's a new one since we were last here. So there we've got Bluebell. Islands Eye, just another snug bar, which we stopped for a drink the other day. Very reasonable. I think it was something like we've got sangria and alcohol-free beer, and it was very nice and pretty reasonable price. I'm going to check out some tapas restaurants because that's what Mrs. Out and About with Andy fancies today. So this, the Pueblo Marinero, was created by Cesar Enrique. So on this side of the square you've got the Bollywood Indian restaurant, and pan across you can see all of the different bars and restaurants, absolutely completely dominated by English, Irish and Scottish bars, which I'm not sure was in Cesar Enrique's original plan when he wanted to create a traditional Spanish or Canarian market square. So as you come out of the other side of the square, sadly there's a few units closed down. This part of the square sort of doesn't really get the traffic, and unfortunately, yeah, a few casualties, a few souvenir shops. We've got a retro bar there, which looks like it's Teesside, so yeah, the retro bar with the transporter bridge there clearly was run by Middlesbrough fans. I don't know if it's still open. Maybe when we'll come back one evening, we'll see if that's open. More souvenir shops, more restaurants. I don't know whether it's just because it's too early. It's currently about midday. Well, perhaps things aren't open yet. It certainly looks like it's still trading, that one. On the other one, over Four Seasons, Lanzarote Rock Cafe. And up the top there, Big Bob's American Diner. So we'll just cut through this bit onto the main street in Costa Teguise and check out some more of the shops. More tap shops, if you want to call them that, or souvenir shops, whatever you want to call them. Sell pretty much everything. So we've got some new development going on over the road there. You can hear the builders busy at it. We'll come down. This is basically the main area for restaurants and bars, a few little shops, which takes us down to the beach. So we've got another souvenir shop over the road, a jeweller's next to it. On this side, an Italian restaurant, not one we've tried. And then got a clothes and perfume shop there on that side. Now this Mexican restaurant here We have eaten it. We've eaten twice here. I've certainly enjoyed the Mexican food we had here. And they've always got some good deals on. Some nachos and beers for €6.99. And today's special chicken fajita. Your 3 tortillas, all the additional things you need for your fajita for €8.99. Price is always, reasonable for a good meal here. It's really recommended. We've tried this one twice and not been disappointed either time. Over on the other side there, another souvenir shop and another place to get an ice cream. If only the weather was suitable for ice cream right now. As you can see in Lanzarote at the moment, the weather is a bit chilly. We've got constant strong wind. When the sun's covered up, you can't really get warm. Got a fun grub on that side. Always a popular store. In fact, it's so popular they have 2 of them here. On this side of the road, you've got a drugstore and a place to book your excursions. On this side, Rock and Ruby Travel, they're going to be disappointed. That crepe stall is still closed. I know Ruby particularly like the crepe from there. We've got the lighthouse there on that side. We've just been there for a coffee and a beer. Nice to sit out in the sun. There is a sheltered side of it, so we're sheltered from the wind. And down here, good old Hyperdino. Always handy for a cheap ice cream. If it's a hot day, or a drink, something like that to keep you going. El Maestro is another restaurant we've not eaten at. Menus always look interesting. Perhaps one day we'll give that one a go. I wouldn't want to be sat outside today. It looks a bit breezy to be sat out having a meal. Got another clothes shop on this side. We'll just wander down this way. Another place doing food here on this side. And then we've got Surf Wings down there, which was the cocktail bar that caught fire the other year, and it's taken a while to get it up and running again. But it is serving cocktails along with the other one. I'll put the name of which, because I can't remember right now. We were there the other day. Both of these are great if you want a cocktail. And then we've got Namast Tandoori there. A few more steps to get down. And over there we've got the beach bar, which we went the other day and had a burger, and it was pretty good, gotta say. So I'd recommend that little place there if you're out and about and you want something to eat. So you see red flags today on the beach. No windsurfers out today. It's classed as being pretty dangerous. And those waves really are coming in. Now this is normally a really calm beach and very family friendly, but today it's just too choppy out there. So if I just pan to the left, there's the other fund group, which considering it's only a few meters away from the other one, you can't really understand why they need two. And then I think we're going to have a wander along, further along the beach, to see the new development. So again, there's surf wings there. We'll get onto the yellow part of the path, which is for pedestrians, so we don't get run over by e-scooters. So there you go. The other place for cocktails is Cabaret, which is up on the top there, which is really good. So there's Cabaret and the vast cocktail menu they offer, and we'll continue our way along the path here. I always like these houses or apartments, whatever they are, villas along this stretch. You've got a fantastic view across the beach. I just think they always look good. Nicely planted gardens. Especially these ones here. So we'll go and have a look and see what it says on the board. So there you go. These are all holiday homes, and designed by the students of Cesar Manrique. So definitely in the traditional Lanzarote style. I think they look pretty good, and yeah, I wouldn't mind staying in one of these myself, because you're right in the centre of the town. And yeah, they look pretty, and again, as I said, fantastic views. So we're coming up to the new development, which is obviously quite exciting for Costa Teguise to have this new development here. This was kind of derelict land, if I remember. And we're going to have new bars, restaurants and shops. So a koala bear, which Collector Fust hasn't got. We'll not go onto the new area. Don't want to get wrong by the local construction workers. As you can see, we've got a load of new restaurants. It's literally weeks off being open, I think, and it should be really interesting to see what it does for the resort. As ever, new developments can affect the existing ones, but hopefully with the increase in tourism they're expecting, it should be good for the resort. So this is the NUA shopping centre. As I say, they've mixed it up, put bars and restaurants here in order to try and give it some life day and night. A nice rooftop bar up there, and then there's Indian restaurants. You've got tapas restaurants up the top there. Plenty of different restaurants to choose from, and it really should be adding a nice addition to Costa Teguise. So guys, that's a little look at all of the new developments here in Costa Teguise, as well as all of the existing shops and restaurants in the main centre of the town. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.